Alright, so we just landed in Texas. We have to go to badge claim, but I look like I got beat up in the plane. I tried to sleep, but it wasn't working. So stop by the bathroom, try to make myself look a little bit more presentable, and then go get my bags, and then we're gonna head over to the Gaylord. So the guy that I'm actually working with this week, I think he just got off, but he just like left. I don't know where he went. I don't know where. I think we're missing a person. But I'm gonna go chase him down and see where he's going without our boy that we're supposed to be with. You left our boy Griffin, bro? No, he's all the way in the back. But no, we're just waiting for our luggage here. We're kind of just stuck waiting until they decide to start it up. All right, our Uber driver actually parked super far from us. I think we're in the wrong location. I have no idea. But we're walking. We gotta get there. Come on. They're waiting for us. Ah! What happened? We got another one? Oh, the pin. Yeah, they do pins now. Forget. Make sure we got the right people. Hello, sir. Doing well yourself? Yes, sir. Take the front.
Yes, sir.
I was like, where else are you going to see? Oh, is it? Oh.
Oh, no, you don't want to get in the backpack.
Yay, air conditioning! Alright, first step down. We're in Uber.
It's super big out here.
Okay, so it's day 2. We arrived yesterday and we were able to do abundance of physical labor because again, we are here supporting another company this year and we ended up having dinner pretty late. So I am a little tired, but you know, that's okay. We're gonna head over to the QuakeCon area now to collect our badges and see what the day brings us. And maybe we can take you on a little tour of how the area is. Can't forget you guys. Come on, let's go. So we're actually still a day early. So for right now, anybody with an elite ticket can get in, but at 9 p.m. So we're gonna go ahead and walk around to see how the location looks before anybody shows up and before the land center starts filling up. So let's get going. So the good thing about actually showing up early is that you're going to not have to sit in the lines, because tomorrow this place is going to get packed. Everybody's going to try to get their badges all at the same time, and that's usually a problem because you can't actually get to the front of the line for hours. But since we're here before the event actually starts, we get full access to get there, grab our badges, take a look around, and of course we're going to help set up some stuff. But that means that we're going to skip the entire massive line for QuakeCon. So that's always good. So this hallway right here is actually usually packed because the check-in area is going to be a little bit further up from here. So right now there's nobody, which is good. But tomorrow this is going to be fully packed, hard to get through. And we're going to try to get a little bit of footage of that once it starts filling up. Oh, look at this. This is actually very cool. It is the 30th anniversary of QuakeCon. So they have a nice little billboard right here. Oh, the balloons are sick. It looks sweet. Yeah, people are definitely gonna like that. And then coming up is actually the BYOC check-in area. This is where everybody's gonna start lining up before security check happens. So this is gonna be packed.
This is actually the Empower PC rental booth. They provide BYOC attendees, they can't ship out their own gaming PCs with one they can use for the entire event each year. It's really convenient since many attendees fly in from different parts of the world.
All right. So as you can see, we are still setting up. Everything is still empty. They finally got the chairs out here to get everything together. They've already worked on the electrical so people can actually like log in, and so people can actually plug in and have power. They have the Ethernet switches. They have the Ethernet and the switches already set up, so that's pretty cool. And the thing about this is that what people don't realize, it actually takes a lot of work from a lot of different people. Like a lot of people get hired to do this event to make sure that everything gets done right before everybody comes in tomorrow. So remember, like right now it's Wednesday. The event starts tomorrow. Technically, elite members can come tonight to set up, but the event actually does start tomorrow. So we have, I don't even know how many hours left in the day, but if this doesn't get done by tonight, pretty much, tomorrow is going to start out pretty well. But yeah, it takes a lot. Very interesting. I'll give you guys another look from the other side of it, where they're still currently setting things up. So it's a gigantic warehouse, and we also have the networking center over there with a big giant queue on it. And we have a lot of things. There's another huge section of tables that are already set up. Now these tables are actually pretty nice. They do give you enough space for your monitor and your keyboard and your desktop to put on the side. It's 2 per table, so they make sure that you have enough room to be able to game 24/7 while you're here. Okay, so now we're actually walking into the area where if you are a vendor and you got yourself a little booth here, you are going to have your own little area where you can set up your stuff and you can meet and greet or whatever it is that you guys do over here. But yeah. We're also going to, so here's a little bit more of the tables for those of you that got a booth here or a slot. And we are also going to walk up to the main stage. There's a main stage up here where they're going to have interviews and other stuff, maybe a live stream going on here at the same time, which right now it looks pretty cool. I know they were working on this yesterday. So right now it looks decent. It looks very good. It looks very clean because yesterday they were still trying to set up. So this is going to look super amazing once it's actually up and lit up and everything is, well, the lights are actually going to come down. We'll definitely be back once everything is set up though, so we can show you how everything turned out. Good little behind the scenes, right? All right, so just a quick update. It has been a few hours now. They pretty much set up all the chairs already for the event. A lot of the booths are already set up as well.
We are at it's like 7 p.m. already. All of the vendors have been doing a wonderful job setting everything up. So we're going to take a quick look at how it is before anybody else gets in here. The elite members have already started coming in, but the other attendees have not come in yet. So as you can see, they have the chair set up. It looks amazing on this side already. It's so nice seeing all the rows of chairs where people are going to be sitting at. We have the AMD location where you're going to be able to see a lot of PCs. So looks cool. Looks very cool. It looks like we also have CLX Gaming on the other side. We're going to walk by there just to take a quick look. Oh yeah, look at this. This is going to be the CLX gaming area. They have all of these PCs set up for people to play on. It's super nice to share. There are multiple rows of those PCs, and soon enough, the entire area come tomorrow is going to be filled with gaming PCs from all over the country. So this is going to be super amazing to watch as people come in, fill up all of these seats, and when the lights go down and the RGB comes up, oof. Oh, another section that we see here, we have a lot of gaming chairs. I don't know if there's partners, but here, take a quick look. It says Noble Chairs. I think it says Noble Chairs. Let me see. Yeah, Noble Chairs. So Noble Chairs has all of these set up with cool graphics on the back. And of course, these are also going to be used for, I don't know if it's going to be just members, elite members, or maybe staff or something, but they are set up to put computers here as well. But this looks amazing. This section here looks awesome. The gaming chairs themselves make this whole area just stand completely out.
What's up? It is early Thursday morning and people are already lining up. I got to get back to the booth. So, yeah. It's going to be a great day. Today's going to be launch day.
On the main day of the event, the lines began to start building up. So many people already.
It looks so cool in here. The lights finally went down and the RGB is up. Look at this. Super, super awesome.
When the lights get turned off, the BYOC really comes to life. So many gaming PCs, so much RGB, and so many gamers.
All right, so now we're actually in the free-to-play arcade area. There's also vendors out here. And this is where you can come. They set up like arcade machines so you can go ahead and play like Dance Dance Revolution and other things. everything that I'm very bad at, but here you can go ahead and buy from vendors. You can play the arcade games. There's also other things here that I actually didn't know about. Like you can do, there's like an indie game section as well. So that's pretty sweet. You can try out the games from the indie developers while you're here. And yeah. The arcade is super fun. I kind of just beat the crap out of this guy, but that's okay because we're just friendly fighting. No money bet or nothing, even though we almost did that, but it's fine, it's fine.
Oh, I think better would be the actual box.
Hell, I'll take you on. Let's go. Let's go. Yo, you got no ideas. I don't either, but...
Within the arcade area, I also found a cool retro room that really took me back. The nostalgia hit hard with this one. It really brings back memories to a much more simple time. So this is actually the tabletop area. We're gonna take a quick look around to see what is up here before everybody fills this place up, because this usually does get filled up. And that way you can see firsthand what they offer. Although I had to work the event again this year, I was still able to see a lot. Sure, I missed many cool things like the AMD giveaway, and I wasn't able to partake in any of the other cool events throughout the day, or even get many cool things like the NVIDIA trading cards, but it was wonderful to see and meet so many of you. The RGB wasn't the only thing lighting up the BYOC. Your smiles also lit up the event, and it was well worth the work we had to do. Thank you all, and for those that I met and hung out with after work hours, thank you for showing me a good time. I hope to see everybody next year at QuakeCon 2027.